Alisa, good evening. How are you?
Hi, good evening.
Many congratulations on being selected as the Eminent for the conference.
Oh, thank you.
Your research was really appreciated by the participants in the conference, and your conduct was appreciated by the whole organization. And that is why you have been selected as the Eminent for the conference.
Thank you so much.
Alisa, I would request you to first introduce yourself to our, all the members of Eurasia Research.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Alisa Kanokchoteworakarn, or you can call me Bill. I was born in Bangkok, Thailand. I live in Bangkok with my grandmother's parents and younger sisters, and I'm currently working in food and beverage industry as a quality assurance member, and my main responsibility is supplier management. Yeah.
Okay. And Alisa, a small brief for your presentation as well that you had presented in the conference.
Okay. About the research that I have presented in the conference is about the commercial feasibility study of selling microencapsulation probiotic to food supplement ODM manufacturing in Thailand. In fact, I graduated with the bachelor's degree in food science, and I am studying in master degree of technopreneurship and innovation management at Chulalongkorn University. So this research is to identify the selection criteria of probiotic raw material and how to commercialize the microencapsulation technique to the industry.
Okay. Alisa, how was the pandemic period for you? As in, how was it difficult to carry on with the research that you were doing?
Yes, it's like change the field from the pure science in the food science to this management. Yeah.
So, madam, what motivated you to carry on with the research?
I have to say that for the research, it starts from I have a problem with my with my stomach, and as a research I know that probiotic can help about my problem, so that's why I start to study about this one. And I think as I present, the probiotic also help us to boost our immune system. So in this COVID situation, I think it's a good opportunity to research in this kind of topic. Moreover, for this case, in fact, I would like to say thank you to my advisor, Assistant Professor Gawin, who encouraged me to join this conference. This international conference. He also searched and suggested me to join this conference. And moreover, I thought this was a chance to practice my communication skill in English. So this is my motivation. Yeah.
Even we are willing to, encourage the researchers to carry on with their research and not to lay back because of this pandemic through these, videos. As you can see, it motivates you when you see a researcher who is carrying on with the research, and, it motivates them also to carry on with the work that they are doing and not to, get laid back because of the difficult situation that the world is facing because of this pandemic. Yeah. And Alisa, how was your experience of online conference?
In fact, I have to say that this is my first conference.
Okay.
in both physical and online, so it's my first conference. And at first, I really want to attend the physical conference, but due to the COVID situation in Thailand was quite bad. So. Yeah. In fact, I plan to join the 10 international conference on research, your conference in Bangkok, but it will conduct this weekend. However, I think it's like during the pandemic, faster is better. I don't know, maybe I can be infected and have to go to hospital. So I choose to join in the Singapore section.
Yeah. It was really great having you, and being it was your first conference, but still being selected as the Eminent is a very good thing, and congratulations again to you on that. And do you think, Alisa, that you will be motivating your friends or colleagues as well to join the conferences?
Yes, of course. In fact, I have already told my friends about the conference. And moreover, I also share this great experience with my junior who has to join the conference next year. So I think many people will join you next year. Yeah.
Very nice, Alisa. And lastly, what is your feedback about Eurasia Research?
Okay, it's like as I mentioned in the conference, and later before that, this was my first conference, and I have to say that I learned a lot from this experience. I had met people from almost, I think, 10 countries around the world with a variety of accents. I have to say that I was delighted about the friendly atmosphere of the conference that was expressed by all staff and also all the participants. So I do appreciate for this great opportunity. So I have to say thank you to you for create and conduct this kind of conference. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Alisa. Thank you so much for joining with us for this session. And it was a pleasure having you at the conference and this session. And we really hope to see you again for our future conferences with your colleagues or your friends.
Okay, maybe in Bangkok this weekend. Yeah.
And we really hope that the pandemic is gone and we all can meet in person.
Yeah.
Okay, Alisa, thank you so much and be safe.
Thank you for you too. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.